Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, December 16th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. This week in math, you will have no homework outside of your 30 minutes of your required MobyMax, as well as bringing in socks for seniors. In science, you need to have your homework passes tomorrow. Those will be collected for extra credit. Also, if you did not pick a scientist for your project this week, you need to do so. Social studies, we have a homework assignment of the Mesopotamia crossword. Make sure you're using your notes for that. There's also optional review sheets to prepare for our Mesopotamia test on Wednesday. Tomorrow in language arts, we have our test on persuasive writing. You need to study your notes and use quizzes to help you prepare. And in literature, Robert Frost, our research activity, is due tomorrow. Also, for our Spirit Week, tomorrow is a favorite holiday hat. You may wear a hat in school, but you need to pay $1 to your first period teacher. It's going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Monday.